friendly crowd. He's got good rhythm, don't you think?
His legs are falling down between you, Chuck. Poor little guy.
Now do it with the other dogs.
We will never surrender.
Look, buddy, how come you don't get to do that?
Where's Space?
Front row, Randy.
I think you're rocking him to sleep.
I think you are too.
Are you going to sleep or are you playing into the game? And
I think we should be doing